Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, pick 3 tools, index cards, a 0, 5mm pen, and a set of highlighters, and clear a 30-60-minute focused block. Once done, list 5-7 high-yield topics per subject on a sheet so you won't waste cards. Make sure to assign one color to each topic group. This reduces cognitive load when scanning later. You're creating bite-sized recall prompts. Write one question or concept per card, and leave space for a concise answer on the back. Now write each card. Front has a single question or cue, back holds a concise answer. Aim for 15-20 words so retrieval stays fast. Once done, condense complex definitions into one-liners and add a tiny diagram or mnemonic on the reverse to trigger recall. Make sure to sort cards into 3 stacks for spaced review: daily, every 3 days, and weekly. Label stacks with colored tabs. You'll save time and sharpen memory by testing, not rereading, so quiz yourself aloud on each. Finish by scheduling a daily 15-30-minute active recall block and log what you review. This creates accountability. Once done, routinely refresh cards that are vague and retire those you consistently answer correctly into an archive box. Make sure to replace retired cards with weaker topics. If you feel overwhelmed, pause. Prune material to the top 20% most high-yield topics, then rebuild systematically. A quick troubleshooting tip: when stuck, rewrite a confusing card in simpler words, or add a tiny sketch.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.